The dimension of the specimen is shown in the handout. The gauge length in between here in this edge and in this edge will be 76.2 and the diameter of the specimen is 6 mm, which has been already measured and we have fixed inside the apparatus. So here what we are going to do, we are going to take the direct torque reading from this torque meter. Initially we have fixed the specimen as well as the deflection gauge. Here also we fixed to 0. So what I am going to do, every 5 radians of rotation, how much is the torque induced, I need to take from the torque meter. So if you see the table column, already we have uploaded in the handout, in the e-learning, the handout everything we have uploaded. So before we start into the experiment, we need to check, ensure that everything is set according to the procedure. Now we have the deflection gauge which is already in 0. Deflection gauge will give you the reading in terms of radians. So each and every 5 rotation of radians, what is the torque induced, we are going to take from the torque meter. So now I am going to start the experiment. Just to have a look, we have uploaded one more virtual lab setup also. You need to understand better with that. So I am just rotating clockwise. So it is having 5 radians. For 5 radians, you need to put the radians into degree. So here how you need to calculate, it should be 0.005. See, listen, this deflection gauge will give you each and every reading they have given the scale as 0.001 radian. So here it will be measured, the scale reading as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 5 numbers is equal to 0.005 radians. For your formula calculation also, you have to substitute in radian, no need to change any degree, any unit, nothing. So when you take the table, directly you have to enter in terms of radians. According to the deflection gauge scale reading, one reading is equivalent to 0.001 radian. So I am taking for 5 divisions, it is 0.005 reading. According to that, you need to take the cumulative readings. So for 0.005, I need to check initial torque. It is not showing anything, so it should be 0. It is showing 0.1. It is fluctuating. So never mind, you leave the first reading. For the second one, we have the induction. The torque meter. It is showing 0.2. Like that, you need to keep on all the readings. For the next 15 radians, it is showing 0.5. Again, it is fluctuating. Now it is showing 1. Torque meter. It is showing 1. And it is 1.2. Like that, I have to take one full complete rotation. All the readings and the calculation, everything will be entered in the e-learning. How to do the model calculation, everything is shown over there. Only for you to understand how to take the reading, we are just explaining with our apparatus setup in the college. So you all know that this is the torque, this is called the manual torsion testing machine. We have already fixed the specimen. Here we are not going to break the specimen like what we did in tensile test. Only we will take until the elastic limit. Limit of proportionality limit, we are going to take the last reading what we have got. For the 10 readings, the same reading we will be using to do the graph. Here we need to mark the graph manually. So according to the theory teacher, how he has explained, we are going to calculate the modulus of rigidity by using the torsion theory equation. That also we have uploaded in the e-learning. You can have a look, you can take it. Ultimately, from the objective, what we are going to find out? We are going to find out the modulus of rigidity, the main property in torsion theory equation, as well as the shear stress for the proportional limit. So whenever you start with any experiment, you must see the objective. First, we are going to find out the modulus of rigidity, the next one, the shear stress in the proportional limit. These two cases we have to find out and read the objective, understand. You need to do the hand calculation. You have to write the final results according to the handout, and you need to write the conclusion with your own understanding. This handout will give you 15 marks weightage, so everything should be completed on time according to the instructor's procedure. Okay, thank you very much.